Okay, so hello friends, I am here. So now we are solving second question of Hackerrank in SQL problem. So let's what is asking question. So here is question that query the name field for all American cities in the city table and cities table with populations larger than 1,20,000 and the country code for America is USA. It is a basic question and it is also same as first problem of SQL in Hackerrank in last video. You can watch. So this is my SQL and start select then all rows and columns from city because city is table. Then next line population larger than 1,20,000. So where population is larger than 1,20,000 and country code for America is USA. It means that USA is country code for America. So country code is equal to USA. Then check run code. It's very simple. You can also solve it. Hurry up, go fast. What? Oh, sorry, country code. Yeah, okay. Run code. Wrong answer. But why? Select star. I think yes, right. Here name. I think it is correct. Go fast. Yes, there is slow net working. Yeah, congratulations to all. We found it and solved it. So thanks for watching and connect with me.